Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are at the Panora Pattaya.
Yes, we are on Pratumnak, our favorite location of Pattaya, let's say, because nice, convenient location, have a few nice restaurants on the beach, and this one is just completed building.
Exactly, brand new building.
Yes.
Ready to move in now.
Just now.
Yes.
Only 200 meters to the beach, so you can walk to Pratumnak Soi 5 beach, have nice beach and nice cafe, bar area.
Sense Cafe, for example, very recommended. I not get any money for saying this, but
The food so nice.
it's good. And how many stories?
38 story, 327 units, studio 1 bedroom, and very nice 2 bedroom.
Which we will show you in a minute.
Yes, so don't miss the video until the end because we will show you panoramic view of 2 bedroom.
Exactly. So follow us guys inside the lobby. Okay guys, so here we are inside the lobby. It's a huge double-story lobby.
Grand big lobby.
Like a hotel 5-star lobby.
Yes, very nice decoration. We call modern luxury design. They use a lot of marble designs with gold and contrast
gold.
with some black stone.
Exactly. And over here will be like a juristic office, the counter, right?
So they will always can greeting you when you are here. Hello, good morning, how are you?
Exactly.
And always offer nice service to you. Left hand side of me is the door where you can entrance from the parking. So there are 4-story parking behind of the building, so like a separate building, but of course you can entrance together.
Yes.
Come in here.
Come here in the lobby. Yes.
So it's quite convenient. And on top of parking, there are nice garden, big
Which
garden.
we will show you in a minute. But okay, first this one is so the main entrance, the lobby area, very grand lobby, nice Panora sign over here. Have beautiful seating area here as well. Everything in this like a cream color, rose gold look with also black marble is throughout. And inside here is have aircon, so it's very cool. So you can really relax in this lobby or working, do some
Yeah, you can
emails.
bring your laptop and just sit here for the working. Nice aircon.
Here we even have much more seating area. Lobby is really usable, let's say. Can have some meeting with friends and
Right. Also, when your
greeting
friend
your
comes,
friends here.
it's
Exactly.
very nice place to present your condominium. That okay, welcome friend. We have a talk here. We have a meeting. So it's very nice place. Then you even don't have to go to any coffee shop.
Exactly.
look
And
nice.
also over here we have all the mailboxes. Very convenient location because right here is the elevator, so you pick up your mail, go up to your condo. For all the rooms over here, also some more seating area. Very nice decoration, very high ceiling. And over here we are coming to the elevator. In total they have 4 elevators.
Yes, and one more service elevator. So
That's good if you want to bring some big furniture or something like this, you can use this service elevator. But this one is 4 high-speed elevators.
for like resident to use, very fast to the top.
Exactly. And now we are going to the 4th floor where the first swimming pool is.
Come.
Follow us. Alright, so coming out of the elevator on the 4th floor, we have here a very nice big and long swimming pool.
Oh, nice wind.
Always have some nice wind. From this floor you have some partly sea view and a lot of greenery view. This is the beauty of Pratumnak Hill. Here is still a lot of palm trees, green gardens.
area.
So you're looking inside some like a nice Thali style villas.
So as you say, even fourth floor, you already have like sea views.
Many sunbeds over here. Nice outdoor showers. So after using the swimming pool, we have the showers over here. Here is another separated area, like a jacuzzi, chill out area.
And this pool is not too deep, so it's also for the kids
Yes.
to play.
Yes, and over there is also very shallow water. So the pool is not really connected, but it's just connected by like the shallow water over there.
Right.
Yeah.
So if you don't like too hot, I think this floor is nice for swimming.
All right, over here we have a very nice garden. We have a lot of more seating area, so you can really enjoy like an outdoor lifestyle. Here is quite some shade in this part of the garden. Over there is a little bit more sun, but you can see they have some playground, so you can enjoy family time here with your children. Over there,
Right.
some playground, some water features for relaxation.
Yeah, same like you have a park in your condo, so in the evening it's really nice and not too hot because sunset is another side, so you will get shadow from the building
Yes.
in this area. So in the evening, I imagine it's going to be lovely time to for family to have a seat and relax here.
Exactly. Even now we have the shade over here, and we also have some wind flowing in from the sea. So it's actually a pretty nice area to be in.
If you have small kids, also very nice to run around.
Yes.
Okay, we show you next. So you will have a toilet room together with sauna room inside, separate woman and man.
A lot of sinks, a lot of toilets,
Yes,
and
a
a sauna.
So after swimming, you can go to sauna.
Yeah, you can always jump in the swimming pool, go back to the sauna, come back to the swimming pool. It's almost like a onsen, no? But of course, it's not finished on this floor. We also have more the children's play area and the gym.
Gym. This one is kid room, and then have some sofa for parent to wait and working, sitting, when
Watching the children play.
Yes, very nice.
It's already equipped with a lot of toys. Have here the ball bath.
Yes, I'm sure that all the children will love it. This one.
Exactly. And it's a nice cool here inside. They have the ceiling type aircon, so it's good for parents also to
Right.
wait here while their children play.
Yeah, sure. And the ceiling is quite high. Still this
It's
floor.
2 floors again, double ceiling. And over here is the gym.
Also children can go to, a parent can go to the gym during
While
the
children playing.
play, right?
So it's a
nice.
very nice size of a gym, a lot of machines, good quality. We also have the area for like a loose weights. We also have a little bit sea view from the gym, and you really can close the curtain all the way down, so it's always cool in here.
Right. Okay, that's all 4th floor. We have a very nice unit to show you today with 2 bedrooms, 78 square meter on 31st floor. Actually, this unit is special unit because there are only 9 units in this building.
Yes,
2
because it's the
bedroom, 2
corner
bathroom.
unit facing towards Jomtien Beach and also Pratumnak Beach.
Right, so you can see from Pratumnak beach side, Jomtien, and then also Pratumnak hill.
Exactly.
So it's very nice unit, and starting price with 15 million.
Fully furnished.
Fully furnished, you get all the furniture, equipment, everything. And actually this building, they have unit price starting with 3.5 million. So if you want something smaller, like 1 bedroom, starting with 31 square meter and also all fully furnished. So it's very good value actually for nice building and close to the beach. Evening you can walk to there, enjoy a sea view, nice beach walkway on Pratumnak.
Yes, so for 1 bedroom, 31 square meter or even studio, it's also decent size, and you get fully furnished for a very good location. So it's around 100,000 baht per square meter, 110,000.
Yeah, I would say very reasonable. for this
Exactly.
price.
Okay, follow us to the 2 bedroom. So here we are on 31st floor, 2-bedroom unit. Please come in. So that is an amazing view here.
Yes, so you can see even up to Satahip.
Yes, exactly. And all the way Pattaya Park Tower. Over there Copacabana, the beach, Jomtien Beach.
Bang Sere, I can see. This is the feature of the unit that all the wall has replaced to be a glass.
Yeah.
So when you open the door inside to the room, you see like a really wow view.
Exactly. And over here you can also enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with this amazing view, because we have here dining table for 4 persons, because it's a 2-bedroom unit, of course. Very nice chandelier here as well. Unit comes fully furnished with all this furniture except for small decorative items.
And yeah, the layout make the room quite big. Then you have good size of living space and dining area, as you mentioned. And even the kitchen, look, I really love it. I mean, normally in condo you not get big kitchen, but this one you really get kitchen same like a house.
Yes,
So
especially like this, with this open counter towards the living room, really gives it a nice feel to this kitchen.
Right. You can cook here, you can serve some drink here, and yeah, freeze it here. Microwave, oven, hot food.
And the good part, you even have like a washing machine already included in this kitchen. Because in many condos is always a problem about the washing machine, where to put the washing machine. Many condos put it on the balcony, but I think it's nice to have it also inside the kitchen, and you can use balcony for drying your clothes. Over here we have, of course, here's the entrance area. Here is the living room. So you have quite like a decent size of a living room. All the built-in stuff for the TV, counter and wall. 2-seater sofa and some like a nice design walls here.
Yeah,
with the mirror.
Decoration, looks
Yes.
nice.
After the living room, we're coming here to the master bedroom. And I think the master bedroom also have a very nice view, because you can see the view of Pratumnak Bay from your king size bed over here. It's still quite some space around the bed, is nice, and we also have quite a decent size of balcony.
Not only this, you still have a lot of space for walk-in closet. Look, of course, this old lady love it. Big wardrobe, and then cosmetic, makeup area, and some more cabinet where you can store your bag, downstairs shoes and clothes. So it's nice space. And the bathroom with bathtub. Oh yes, I always like it. Very nice for relax when you come home and have a warm water and sitting relax. You can open this curtain and you can see view. So during bath time you see very nice view of Pratumnak, toilet, sinks, everything American standard, and nice marble wall, big glass. This is make the bathroom look nice, so you can see yourself and then make it look wide. Very nice.
So master bedroom, very beautiful view of Pratumnak Bay. And the second guest bedroom also has actually a quite nice view, not really of the sea, but of Pratumnak Hill. If you know, like a golden Buddha Hill on Pratumnak, you can see the golden Buddha from here. It's also nice that they have floor to ceiling windows. They also have a king size bed with also nice views, and even you can see Pattaya Bay, because we are on a very high floor, so you have also some views of Pattaya Bay, which is very nice.
It's
to
almost
have it.
360 degree, where you can see from
Yes.
Pratumnak, Jomtien, Pratumnak Hill and Pattaya.
Yes, yes, it's a very beautiful unit, and even in this unit you have a little bit more space, because you also have here some desk for working as well, and I feel a little bit more space around the bed, which is also nice to have. You also have some kind of like a walk-in wardrobe, so it's like a mini master bedroom, I would say. Of course, over here you have the bathroom. They use American standard, very nice white marble tiles, gray, black and white, modern classic design, let's say timeless design. Yeah, and this is the 2-bedroom corner unit. All right guys, now we have one more facility to show you, which is on the 29th floor.
Right.
Another beautiful swimming pool and some more facilities.
Okay, follow us.
Follow us. Okay guys, here we are on the 29th floor, panoramic swimming pool.
You have long swimming pool.
Yes,
Very
and you can
super
see
nice view.
Kolan Island from here. Beautiful shape of the beach down there. We have here some area for sunbeds, so it's a little bit like a shallow water. There is a really nice area for taking some laps for exercise swimming or for just enjoying the view. You also have always some wind over here, so it's really nice to stay here. You have also some shade actually. Maybe in the morning is more sun, but now at noon at least there's some shade over here.
Nice. You have a sit here, read a book or listen music, see nice view in sky.
And over here we have some area for like a sitting, like a jacuzzi, so you can really relax here and enjoy the view. And speaking of relaxing, we have here also another area. It's called sunken green, because it's a seating area inside
The
some
green.
yes, inside some nice green plants. You can enjoy the view here to Pratumnak Hill, again to the backside, also to Pattaya Bay. Have some drinks over here, enjoy the wind and the view. All right, here to the left side is another area called Sunken Blue. All right, so this one is the Sunken Blue area. We have some like a long table seating area, a lot of water features around.
So you always feel cool.
Exactly, and behind us is the Panora symbol, where you can really enjoy the views to Jomtien Satahip.
So this floor is also one of the nice facility if you love to enjoy relax time with a nice sea view, get some wind, see the sky. Oh, nice life.
Yes, very good life if you have a condo here. So guys, please let us know what you think about this condo. Do you also like this condo same like we do, or you have some other ideas where you would stay in Pratumnak? This one is Pratumnak. There are many nice condos, but this one is the newest, just recently completed condo. Very nice 2-bedroom, is a 15.2 million.
Or give us a comment which part of the review you like.
Exactly.
Like facility, or you like the bedroom or living room.
Exactly.
Then we have idea.
Exactly, and give us a call or go to our Facebook page, Pearl Property Pattaya. Give us a call at 033-135-053 if you're interested in more information about this condo. But for now, just give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching our content, subscribe to our channel, and see you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.